Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert MP3 to M4A in Audacity. So if you would like to do it, you need to download this one file from link in description. After that we need to install it on our PC, so I click on it. Now I click I accept the agreement, I go next. Then I recommend you to copy this path, so I click right mouse button here and I click copy. Then we need to go to next and we need to click install button. Now we click finish. And we need to open Audacity. Then we need to go to edit and we need to open preferences. Now we need to open here libraries bookmark and we need to go to locate button on the right side of FFmpeg library. So I click here, we click here yes, and we need to paste here the path that we copied before. Then I click OK button and I click OK button again. Now we need to open MP3 file, so I go to file, I go to open, and I need to select here file with MP3 format. So I click on simple file.mp3 and then I click open button. The file should be successfully imported to our project. So now we can try to export it. So I go to file, I go to export audio, or I use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E to do it. Then I go to export to computer and I need to change file format from MP3 to M4A AAC files FFmpeg. Then format should be changed here, and now you can click export to finish this process. After that your file should be successfully exported to M4A. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.